Hey guys, I'm Quinn. I'm an artist, designer, traveler, hiker, and climber, and now I am the proud owner of a 1977 Airstream Trade Wind. I'm going to be renovating this little trailer from the frame up and turning it into my mobile tiny home. I have no idea what I'm doing because I've never taken on a project like this, but I'm so excited for the process and the journey, and I can't wait to see what the end product looks like. Here we go. What are you doing?
Let's line up for you.
Okay, so today we're doing the underbelly. We're jacking it up, but before we do that, we have to rip out the propane line and then take off all of the sheets of metal. I unscrewed some of the pieces, but my uncle came in with a fucking sawzall and just took the rest off. So now we're doing the underbelly. Okay, so I'm covered in dirt and dust and gross shit, but we got the freshwater tank out and it took a lot of energy and effort, and it's fucking old and rusty. Look at this thing. Ew. Ew!
Yeah.
There's also a beer cap from probably the 70s, and all the water's coming out. That water's from 1977. Probably not, but today we managed to get the water tank and the first bit of the underbelly out, as well as the propane line. We pretty much only were here for maybe 2 hours, which I'd say is pretty good considering we had a little bit of a struggle in there. So the next time we're gonna work on it, which is probably in 2 days, we're gonna finish taking the underbelly off, and then we're gonna jack it up and level it, which was the plan for today, but it took longer than we thought. So I think I'm gonna rip out the subfloor and kind of all this crap in the bathroom area because I can't get the pan out from underneath. So I'm gonna go in from top down and see if I can figure it out that way. Still trying to jack it up and level it, but I keep running into these roadblocks where I have to figure out, backtrack almost to figure out how to get to the next thing. It's a whole thing. So anyway, we're gonna rip some shit out. Okay, so I just ended up ripping out the bathroom and the closets, and now I'm gonna work on where the beds were right here, and then the upper shelves. I think today's just turning into clearing out the inside because I have to at some point, and it feels good, so might as well just keep going, right? Okay, so I got this thing partially down, but the old panel controller, right, is still hooked up. So I gotta figure that out. And then this whole puppy will be down. Okay, shelf is out. Yay. Holy shit. Okay, last bit of shelving I have to take out. I still have to do all the electric and plumbing, but in terms of gutting it, we're pretty freaking close. So I'm gonna get this one out now. I put a pallet down and then put all of the garbage or recyclable materials on there so we can easily move it with the tractor. Quick recap because my phone's about to die. Everything is empty for the most part. I have stuff, tools and stuff, and these couches are still here, but it's empty. Ah! I'm so excited. It looks so much better. I mean, it still needs a lot of work, but it's almost empty. So making moves. It's all of the garbage up on a pallet neatly so we can easily take it away for recycling and garbage. And it's also supposed to rain, so it's hard. So yeah, bye Airstream, see you tomorrow. I am so tired, but honestly, when I got here this morning, I didn't think I would do all the work that I did. So I'm happy, and I just want to keep going, but I need to rest because I'm so tired, but I'm so excited. So I think I'll probably just do some research on stuff I want to do, and then I don't know what next time is, but hopefully finally leveling and jacking it up, but we'll see. You never know. So I just got a very important package in. I finally got the Airstream letters. So originally I only needed the E for the front of my Airstream, but I found someone who is selling a full set, and I figured that it would probably be worth it to just buy the full set in case a letter breaks or something goes wrong in the process. So I found this through an Airstream restoration group on Facebook. So if you're gonna renovate one, I highly suggest joining because you can find a lot of parts, and then it keeps it sustainable. They came wrapped in bubble wrap, but the like little rivet studs pierced through the air holes. So some of them, like this M, lost a rivet, which kind of sucks. But otherwise, they're in pretty good condition. I'm gonna, you know, like fix them up when I fix up the rest of them. Today on Airstream stuff, we're gonna take out the subfloor. Wow, I have dirt on my face, I was gardening. Anyway, we're gonna take out the subfloor. My uncle's gonna help me because he wants to. And then hopefully take out the plumbing. I don't know how much we're gonna get done since we only have like an hour to do stuff, but we'll see. So this is what it looks like right now. This is where the bathroom was, so obviously there was rot and whatnot. And then the rest of it actually looks like it's in pretty good condition, but it's gonna go bye-bye anyway. Frame is exposed partially and all the garbage. Oh, it smells fucking awful. Okay, so we did that today. I think we did a pretty good job. We didn't spend that long, but we did what we wanted to do. The plumbing is now detached. We just have to pull it out from underneath, but we have to like cut some piping and whatever, which we'll do tomorrow because we're exhausted. But it was a good, like, quick little runaround.